Welcome to my little demo of CREX, our tool that helps you getting rid of false positives. Here we have assembled a little dashboard where we collect our mod security rule alerts. A lot of this is false positive, perhaps a familiar sight to you. Here the first one is a query for Time After Time, the famous song by Cyndi Lauper. Let's scroll down a bit and inspect this alert. If we click in here, it takes us right over to the CREX software where we have the alert message again, and then a parsed version where we have split the items into its components. Here you see the Time After Time query again. Collapsing this gives us access to the resulting rule exclusion. This is what CREX proposes to us. Here it proposes to remove the rule entirely, or we can limit this to the query argument that is now excluded by this rule, but also the two runtime rule exclusion options are supported by CREX. When you do this, the URI is tied into the rule exclusion. We can edit the URI by hand, but we can also do a by tag rule exclusion, here selecting the attack RCE tag. Before we post this into the CI/CD pipeline, let's include metadata to make it more readable, that information, and then we post it into CI/CD. We switch over to our Git repository where we have the rule exclusion as a pull request. Here it can then be inspected and vetted on and finally deployed right into production. Unlike commercial alternatives, CREX supports all four types of rule exclusions, and despite looking very simple on the surface, it comes with many years of production experience and a deep understanding of how mod security and how the OWASP core rule set works. Let's make false positives extinct.